Have you got a minute? Let's make this. Caramel peach cobbler with 3 layers of deliciousness. Here's what you'll need. It starts with fresh peaches, and here's a great tip for removing the skin. Score the peach in a crisscross, then place it in boiling water for a couple of minutes. Remove, and check this out, the skin comes right off. Once that's done, slice them up. Next, you'll need brown sugar, butter, and 7-Up. Add those to a skillet, bring it to a boil, then add the peaches and cook until thickened. Now make the batter. In a bowl, add flour, baking powder, salt, sugar, milk, and vanilla, and mix it well to get the lumps out. Finally, take 1 stick of butter, melt it, and pour it into a baking dish. Now pour the batter over the melted butter, but don't stir. Then spoon the peaches over the batter, again don't stir, and now it's ready for the oven. And when done, you have a scrumptious peachy keen dessert. Delicious, piping hot, and made even better with vanilla ice cream. Caramel peach cobbler for dessert tonight. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.